Rita is just a few miles north in Maidstone. She's heading to the Hilton Hall Dance Academy to meet Zahida and some Kentish maidens, or should that be maids of Kent, to learn about belly dancing, an art form which first made its way to our shores in the early 60s. Stand by.
This looks absolutely amazing.
Hello, welcome. This is Bellydance. It's also known as ragsharky in their origin countries.
Where does it originate from?
It's from Arabic countries, so we would say Egypt as the main place, but we also have Lebanese dancers, Turkish dancers.
The term belly dance comes from the French phrase danse du ventre, which translates as dance of the stomach, but is said to have been performed in Egypt since the time of the pharaohs. However, its origins are unclear. What is known is that in one form or another, belly dancing has been practiced in countries throughout the Middle East for millennia, forming an intrinsic part of many cultures. Today, it's still performed at social gatherings and celebrations, but it is very different to the westernized version popular worldwide.
When did it come to Western countries?
There was a particular dancer, that her name was Little Egypt in Chicago in one of the Universal exhibitions. And she was representing the Egypt's pavilion. So she was dancing with the belly bear. So it started that association.
How long has belly dancing been popular in England, in UK?
There was a very lively life around Arabic clubs and belly dance in London around the 60s, 70s. The belly dance scene now in the UK is more about amateur, more about community centres, more about gathering and getting together and sharing good moments, more than performing in big theatres.
I can actually see it as quite an empowering dance.
It is actually, and I can tell you why. Everybody is welcome, no age limits, below or top. You can dance, belly dance, whatever your body type is, your size.
Now, the costumes is one thing that intrigues me because they are always so out there, so beautiful, all beaded and chain. Have you got any here that we could have a look at?
Yeah, of course, let's go, have a look.
The costume belly dancers are renowned for is called the bedla, made famous by sirens of the silver screen during Hollywood and Egyptian cinema's golden era. It consists of a bra, a skirt, bare midriff, veils and oodles of glitter and beads.
Wowzers, look at that! Oh, thank you very much. This is one of my performing costumes.
It looks fantastic. You're like
Thank you
$1
very
million
much.
bucks in that.
Oh, thank you very much.
I think I referred to it as empowering.
It is actually, yes, it's like, I actually have my issues as well. I feel a little bit afraid or ashamed to show my belly, and that's why I'm wearing this mesh actually. But isn't it empowering that a person that has been ashamed her whole life because you were fat, blah, 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 whatever name you want to put to that, is actually marvelous dressing, and yeah, it is actually empowering.
So the dance has helped you feel more confident.
Definitely.
Time for a quick lesson, I think.
Okay, so would you like to learn some steps, some movements?
Yeah, do you like my outfit?
I love it.
Am I rocking it?
Amazing. Okay, let's go to that one. The name of that movement is hip drop. Okay? And basically what you do is just raise your hip and drop it. Drop, drop, drop. That's it. Now relax and open your arms very wide and elegant. And open your chest there. That's
That hit! Every muscle in my tummy! That is hard work!
it is a workout.
It's a
yes.
full-on workout.
I'm so glad you enjoy it.
It was the best time ever.
Thank you very much for your really good positive attitude. You are a good dancer.
Oh, thank you, I'll take that. I'll go and show James Braxton my good moves. Right, thank you very much. See you later.
Bye, see you.